Hi, everybody. It's Bananas in Seattle. Brian back again to talk to you about a question I see a lot. How do I know if my banana is going to flower? Now, it's difficult to predict weeks or months in advance, but there is an indicator that you can see to get at least a few days to a few weeks of heads up that you're about to get a flower on one of your banana plants. That notification comes by way of what's called a flag leaf. Now, understanding how bananas grow, they continue to push leaves out from the center. A new leaf grows, it opens up. A new leaf grows, it opens up from the center of the plant. When a banana flowers, it's going to come from the center as well, just like a leaf would. The flag leaf is the last leaf that comes before you get the flower. And there are some indicators that you are getting a flag leaf. And once you get that, you know the next thing that's going to come out is going to be the flower. So first, let's look at a regular leaf coming out. There's a couple of things you're going to notice. One is it's very tightly wound. This thing is really tight. The second thing you'll notice if you look at the top, especially on the larger leaves, you're going to notice 4 or 5 coils created by the edge of the leaf in the top couple of inches. The flag leaf does not come out looking like this, and these are the two things you can look at to help you know that a flag leaf is coming out. Look at this one here. You'll notice that the leaf is much looser. It's much wider than those tightly wound leaves. You'll also notice at the top, you don't see those coils because the leaf is much shorter. It's not tightly coiled and you can't see all of the leaf edges at the top. Now the flag leaf is going to end up being about half the size of a regular leaf. So as you're watching it come out, you'll see it will unwind even more, much faster than any of the other leaves that are on the plant. If I stop the video here, you take a look. Here's a flag leaf that came out of the pod that I got a few weeks back. You'll notice it's about 3 feet long, close to a meter, where all the other leaves on a banana this tall are about 6 to 7 feet long, about 2 meters. So the flag leaf only made it about half the size. Now, the exact size of a flag leaf will be determined by the variety of banana that you're growing, as well as the growing environment of your plants. But all bananas are going to show similar behavior. And once you see this flag leaf coming out, you know the next thing that's going to come out is the flower pod. So this for me will be number 4 of this year in this patch. These are musa basjoo bananas grown just outside of Seattle, Washington. I'm in zone 8A or 8B, depending on who you ask. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Like and subscribe for more on growing tropical and subtropical plants in cold weather environments.